Look, in the cold of December, I still have eggplant growing. Look at you, eggplant. Look at those beautiful flowers blooming there. Okay, eggplant. In the month of December, you're still blooming. You're still growing. That's wonderful. Look at my red mustard greens. They showing their color. I see the red coming on them. Okay, red mustard greens. Y'all growing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, okay. And look at my artichokes, you guys. Artichokes coming up. Keep growing, keep growing, keep growing. Look at my red cabbage over here. Okay, getting big. And I got some of the regular cabbage growing in here too. With some of my garlic coming up. Okay, cabbage. Spinach over here. I gotta get these spinach into some bigger containers. They growing big now. And I got my celery coming up. I see celery. And look at my romaine lettuce. They're getting bigger. Okay, keep growing big. Got some collard greens there. Spinach. Okay. Okay, romaine lettuce. Got some more collards growing over here. Got to get them into some bigger containers. And look at here. These collard greens and mustard greens just keep regrowing. That's so wonderful. Get to harvest them again. Look at my mustard greens coming up here. Looking good. Lettuce finally blooming. Got some bigger leaves coming up on them. And look here, y'all. I brought my tomato plant in, and I had some tomatoes growing in December. Look at that. Ain't that something? Come on, tomato plant. Keep growing. As you can see, I added some little hoops over all my little raised beds here, and I'm gonna cover them up real soon and try to finish covering my two hoop house here with the plastic. My poor little bell peppers, I think they done, the cold has gotten them. I tried to bring them inside, but those white flies just kept flying around inside with them. I had brought them back out. I'm gonna try to bring them back in and try to save them, trim down these leaves off of them and save them for the winter. Bring them back out during the spring. Got you all covered up for now.